Question number 171. Mark the feature of function which is not associated with bundle of hairs. As you can see here, we have this bundle of hairs which comprise of Purkinje fibers along with the left and right bundles. Now let's read the very first option. It carry cardiac impulses from AV node to ventricles, and this is a correct function performed by bundle of hairs, so this cannot be a correct answer because it is this bundle of hairs which will carry the impulse from AV node to ventricles. So this cannot be a correct answer. Our next option is modified muscle fibers exhibits auto-excitability, and this is a feature of bundle of hairs or any other cardiac tissue in human heart, so this cannot be a correct answer. Our next option given is it is bundle of neurons affecting heart rate, and this is an incorrect option and is a correct answer to our question because this bundle of hairs is a bundle of muscles rather than neurons. So this is an incorrect option, is a correct answer to our question. Our last option is it helps to spread impulses in ventricular musculature, and as it is associated with a function of bundle of hairs, so this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 172. Identify the correct statement regarding lymphatic system, and the very first statement is lymphatic vessels have valves to prevent backflow of blood, and this is an incorrect statement, so cannot be a correct answer to our question because lymphatic vessels have valves but they'll prevent the backflow of lymph and not blood. Our next option is left and right subclavian veins drain lymph into inferior vena cava, and this is an incorrect statement because this left and right subclavian veins, they will drain lymph into superior vena cava rather than inferior vena cava. Our next option is right lymphatic duct collects lymph from most of the parts of gastrointestinal tract, and this is an incorrect statement because it is the thoracic duct which will collect lymph from most of the part of gastrointestinal tract rather than right lymphatic duct. Our last option given is lymphatic vessels return lost plasma protein in bloodstream, and this is a correct statement and is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer would be option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 173. The type of portal system absent in humans is, and this is a direct question because we know in humans renal portal system is absent. On the other hand, hepatic portal system and hypophyseal portal system are well developed. These two are well developed. So the correct answer would be option number 3 because renal portal system is absent in humans. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 174. Renin is released from JGA in response to, and this hormone called renin, which is released from juxtaglomerular apparatus, is involved in RAS, which is activated when there is fall in blood pressure or when there is fall in glomerular filtration rate, when there is fall in glomerular blood flow, or when there is increase in osmolarity of filtrate. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option given is high glomerular blood pressure, and this is an incorrect option because renin is released from JGA in response to low glomerular blood pressure. The second option is fall in glomerular blood flow, and this is our correct answer to our question. Our next option given is high GFR, and this is incorrect because renin is released when there is fall in GFR. The last option given is decrease in osmolarity, and this is also an incorrect option because renin will be released when there is increase in osmolarity of filtrates. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 175. point of difference between artery and vein excludes. So we need to find out that based on which of the following option we cannot differentiate between artery and vein. And the very first option given is nature of muscle in tunica media. And this is a correct option to our answer because merely on the basis of nature of muscle in tunica media, we cannot differentiate between artery and veins. As tunica media comprises smooth muscles, so nature of muscle would be same. Involuntary and non-striated uninucleated smooth muscles are present in the tunica media. The next option is diameter of lumen of blood vessels, and based on this we can differentiate between artery and veins as arteries have a wider diameter in comparison to vein. So this cannot be a correct answer. Our next option is presence and absence of valves, and based on this we can differentiate between artery and veins because veins have valves but artery lack valves. So this is an incorrect option. Our last option is thickness of tunica media, and based on this also we can differentiate between artery and veins, so this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct option is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question.